Hi guys, I'm reviewing this flashlight, and it's a really nice size flashlight. So it takes 3 AAA batteries, or it takes one of those big ones. I think it's 18650. It's one of those big batteries, but I'm going to be using 3 AAA batteries. So let me put these in, and we'll see how bright it gets. There's 5 different modes, which is high, medium, low, and there's strobe and an SOS signal. So we're going to try out all 5, and already it's turning on. It is very bright. Okay, so close the curtain so you guys can see how bright it is. And to change it, you just push the button, I think. Or no. Oh yeah, see, there's the strobe. It's the SOS. So that's high, medium, low, and there's the strobe again, and the SOS. Yeah, this is a really good flashlight. I really like this. It even has zoom. So to make it zoom, you just push it forward, and you can push it back to make it normal. It is a very bright flashlight, very, very bright. I really like this. Alright, that is this nice flashlight. It's a good size. It has a wrist strap. That way if you're going fishing or something, you need a light, or camping, or if the power goes out. Or you can even put this in your glove box in your car, so that way if you have a flat tire or something in the middle of the night, you can use it for that. This is a very nice flashlight. If you guys want to order this, the link to this is in the description. I hope you go and check it out, and thanks so much for watching.